Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website using Divi Builder. First, you will need to install WordPress on your hosting account. Then, purchase and install the Divi theme, which includes the powerful Divi Builder. After installation, activate the Divi Builder plugin. This setup provides a robust foundation for building a stunning website with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making design accessible to everyone. Once Divi is active, navigate to create a new page and select the option to use the Divi Builder. You can then choose from hundreds of pre-made layouts or begin with a blank canvas. The builder uses a hierarchical structure. Sections contain rows, and rows contain modules. Modules are the building blocks for all your content, from text and images to contact forms and galleries, offering immense flexibility. Divi offers extensive customization options for every element on your page. Within each module settings, you can easily adjust colors, fonts, sizes, and spacing. For more advanced design, you can add custom CSS directly. The builder also includes powerful responsive editing tools, allowing you to fine-tune your website's appearance across desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, ensuring a perfect look on every device. Divi includes many powerful features to streamline your workflow. You can save custom layouts, sections, rows, and modules to the Divi library for reuse across your site. Easily integrate essential functionalities such as contact forms, social media feeds, and e-commerce elements. Before launching, ensure your site is optimized for speed and search engines. With these steps, your professional website will be ready for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.